Top 11 AI tools for business leaders in 2026. Every business leader right now is being told that they need to be using AI. Now, the problem is not motivation, it's that the tool landscape has become genuinely overwhelming. There are thousands of AI tools, each promising to transform how you work, and most business leaders don't have the time to reevaluate 50 options to find the five that actually matter. Now, this video is going to cut through all of that. 11 AI tools tested and selected specifically for business leaders, not developers, not marketers, not hobbyists. Tools that are going to make you more strategic, faster, and better informed. So by the end, you will know exactly which tools are worth your attention and which ones you can skip. Now, the AI tools that actually matter the most, or AI tools that matter for business leaders, are going to fall into four practical categories: thinking and decision support, communication and writing, data and research, and operations and productivity. Now, the best tools in 2026 are not necessarily the newest ones. They're the ones that have proven reliable enough to build a real workflow around. Now, I'm going to go through 11 of them in order of practical impact, starting with the ones that deliver the most immediate value. So, first and foremost, we're going to be talking about the biggest tool on all of this. So, we have Claude by Anthropic. Now, this is the tool for business leaders that consistently find the most useful or strategic thinking. Its strength is handling complex, nuanced reasoning, okay, and analyzing a business situation with multiple competing considerations, reviewing a contract for problematic clauses, stress testing a business plan, or even working through a decision with unclear trade offs. Now, the writing quality is also the strongest of any general AI assistant, which matters a lot when you're producing communications that reflect on you personally. Now, the free tier is pretty functional, and Claude Pro at $20 a month is totally free to use. Okay. Then moving on, ChatGPT with GPT 4.0 is the most versatile all purpose AI assistant and the one with the broadest ecosystem. So, for business leaders who want one tool that handles literally everything: writing, research, analysis, code explanations, data interpretation, ChatGPT's breadth makes it most practical single tool. Then, moving over, we also have another powerhouse, which is the third tool that we're discussing, and it's called Perplexity AI. Now, Perplexity AI is the research tool that should replace your default search engine for business research. Now, it answers all of the questions by synthesizing current web sources and showing you different citations. So instead of opening 12 browser tabs to research a market, an industry, or even a competitor, you simply ask Perplexity and get a synthesized answer with sources in under a minute. Now, the free tier is going to handle most research tasks. The pro plan is going to be at $20 a month. It's going to add more powerful models and deeper research capability for complex multi-step questions. Moving on, we have another great tool called Notion. Now, Notion AI is going to basically turn your existing workspace into an AI-powered knowledge system. Okay. If your team already uses Notion for documentation and project management, the AI add-on layer allows you to generate meeting summaries, draft project plans from brief descriptions, summarize long documents, and search across your entire workspace with any type of natural language. Moving on, we all have another tool in the communication and writing section, and that is Otter AI. Now, Otter AI handles meeting transcriptions automatically. It joins your calls, transcribes in real time, and delivers a summary with action items when the meeting ends. Now, the practical impact is pretty significant, and you're fully present in conversations rather than split between listening and note taking. And the complete transcript is searchable for any decision or commitment made in any meeting. And the free tier gives you 300 minutes per month. The paid plan at $17 a month removes that limit. Then moving on, we have another great AI tool that is called Grammarly Business. Now, I'm sure most of you have heard about Grammarly already, but Grammarly Business goes beyond grammar correction. The AI layer in Grammarly Business checks tone, clarity, and even your brand voice. Consistency is going to be across everything written in your organization. And for business leaders who care about the quality of external communications, like client emails, proposals, Grammarly Business applied across a team ensures a consistent quality floor that individual editing cannot maintain at scale. Then moving on, we also have the Microsoft Copilot, which is pretty much embedded in every Microsoft 365. It is the tool with the highest potential impact for, organizations already using Microsoft's very own suite. You can go ahead and, use Copilot with literally anything, draft anything, and if your business runs on Microsoft 365, Copilot's deep integration across all of those tools is going to help you a lot. Then moving on to our next AI is going to be Julius AI. Now, Julius AI is also a data analysis tool that lets you upload spreadsheets and data sets across different things and ask questions about them in plain English. A business leader who needs to understand what a data set is telling them without waiting for an analysis to run a report can upload a file to Julius and get whatever they require. And moving on, we also have another powerful AI tool called Consensus AI. Now, Consensus AI is also an AI-powered research tool that searches scientific and academic lectures or literature and synthesizes different findings. Then moving over to our last category, which is operations and productivity, we first of all have Zapier. Now, most of you have definitely heard about Zapier with AI because it connects your business tools and automates workflows between them using AI to handle the decision type making and actually create a proper CRM with automations. And finally, the last AI that we're going to be talking about out of these 11 is Reclaim. Because Reclaim AI manages your calendar using AI to protect your time for focused work. You tell it what tasks need to get done and how long each will take, and it automatically finds the block optimal in your calendar around your existing meetings. Now, these 11 tools that consistently deliver real value for business leaders in 2026 are Claude, ChatGPT for thinking and writing, Perplexity for research, Notion AI and Otter AI for knowledge management, Grammarly Business for communication quality, Microsoft Copilot for 365 users, Julius for data analysis, Consensus for evidence-based research, and Zapier for workflow automation. You don't need all 11, so start with 2 or 3 and see which one works for you. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.